In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add BNB Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet. Now, this is a very quick and simple process, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So there are actually two different ways in which we can add BNB Smart Chain to our Metamask wallet. So the first way we can actually do inside of Metamask. So the first step is to open up your Metamask wallet. Now, this can be done on your PC or your phone, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using. The process will be exactly the same. But what we can do from here is go to the top left corner and look for where it says Ethereum mainnet. And when we click on that, and we can see all the networks that are currently on our Metamask wallet. So in order to add BNB Smart Chain, we can simply go to the bottom and click Add Network. And from there, here we can see a list of popular networks which we can automatically add to our wallet. So since we're trying to add BNB, we can look for this one here. So we can go over here and click Add. And once you've done that, you'll be able to automatically add BNB Smart Chain into your Metamask wallet. Now, we can also use this site called Chainlist, and this will allow you to add any network you want to your Metamask wallet. So of course, I've got BNB Smart Chain up here, but if you do need to connect to a different network in the future, you can use this website and simply search at the top, and you can find the chain details. So I'm on BNB Smart Chain here, and I've connected my wallet, which I'm trying to add the network to. So I can go ahead and click Add to Metamask, and from there, it will ask if we want to allow this site to add a network. And when you're happy, you can go ahead and click Approve, and it will now be added, and it will ask you if you want to switch to the BNB Chain network. So that's how you can add BNB Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.